Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I hope the person who asked me about, you know what, was very happy with what I did. And man, let me tell you, it's probably one of the best things you could do for the summertime. Maybe I should do something like that for the Pocket 3. Grab my power station and the cable and carry it along. I remember making a mod years back. I'm going back 30 plus years. He's gonna wait for I to pass because he's got to get gas to the boats. You know what an elephant there is? Let me know down below. I put that on the car on the motor mount. Oh yeah, with a threaded rod. And I made my own motor mount assembly. And that gave my car a longer life until I sold it. Well, anyway, I'm here at sunrise. Maybe 2 minutes early. DJI owners of the Pocket 3 recording cancel prompt. Imagine you could press on it to cancel the recording cancel to get back your video. So all those Pocket 3 owners that owned the Pocket 2 that thought this camera had pause recording, that they wanted that, but they got recording cancel instead. Fight for that one. It's the one you really want to stop the cancel recording. Is it the Thompson twins or the Human Leagues? These are the things were dreamed of. Something like that. You know, the song is playing in my head. Yeah. At least say it out there. Share it to the world. But nobody listens. Not even DJI themselves. Yeah, they came to the channel once, twice, support. Only to say, hey, the camera's not broken. If you need help, get the support. We hear what you're saying. We want to make sure you're happy. That's the only reason why they came. They just didn't want to hear somebody negative, meaning that they had troubles or thought they had troubles with the camera. I don't have troubles with the camera, and I'm not talking negative about it. I'm just telling you like the way it is. So I got contacted again by Switch, and I was able to again go over the list. And I'm not happy with the purchase they're asking me to look at. It doesn't include, and now you can go to eBay and go get one, but it's still quite expensive for the bike. Oh yeah, I stopped talking about the Pocket 3 because I got to share the world to you. The world is shared through the camera's eyes. You get a lot across through the camera, right? I want to turn you towards the sun so you can see it. But then I got to go on the other side of this. And I don't want to go swimming. So I'm going to go head out to where we can go swimming. The beach. And isn't the beach a great place to be at during the summertime? They cut the grass for me. All right. So yeah, OP3, somebody did a bicycle ride and their camera's not behaving right. And when they pan a little, it jumps. Mine's not jumping. So maybe, can't refresh firmware. You got to figure it out. So maybe getting back to DJI and the repair center and sending it in. I'm going to go pick a table. I think I'll take the one right here, heading right towards it. I think yesterday I said something backwards to you. I shoot in portrait mode to conserve power. So this way I don't have to turn the screen to landscape mode that consumes power. Well, I'm on landscape mode right now, so I can get a better look at what I'm shooting at. So this way, my head is almost at the top of the camera. Yeah, that reminds me of a movie, 1963, Outer Limits, man. It was a house, a couple. They're going upstairs to rent the place, and there's a square box with a little hole. And they look in the box, and there's a monster from outer space in it. And they run from it. You know what happened? They get zapped in the box, man. You remember that one? And the thing zapped the person that was trying to escape the beam and brought them in. But they eventually all got out. Yes, indeed. I have to steer clear of the machine. I love watching the old shows. I wish they could even put the new shows, and yeah, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Now, the sun should be in your eyes. And does it do a good job with the Pocket 3? When you film the sun hitting you, I gotta watch out for the water. I don't like going into the water with the bike. So let me just go around, watch out for the gull and all. I did a shot also, and I noted that there was a lighter cloud than any other cloud. And DJI, oh man, they really didn't get the color right on it. Not at all. But if you are looking for OG3, that's what I'm calling mine. Mine's the OG3. It sounds better than the OP3. What would you call your Pocket 3? You just call it a Pocket 3. I want to give a special thanks to all my YouTubers, followers, and the world. Thank you for your services. I hope we all have a good celebration, a good share, whatever we're doing, with family, friends, and where we're going. Be safe, and happy Memorial Day. So I'm heading on back. I got some work to do. I want to get a nice cup of joe. And I got to edit this video. Am I going to color grade it? Am I going to do this, do that? I don't know. I got a duck. Hi, Alfred, I had a duck. I got a duck again. Because, yeah, I got the trees. So the fun is beginning. And now's the time to go enjoy that fun. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be putting you away. And I hope to see you all on another video. Have a great day. I am Fish. Check out my channel. Check out my videos. Check out my reviews. Check it all out. I hope to see you on another day. Have a great one. No matter where you're at, what you do, anywhere. Let's get on out of here and go have fun.